Assalamualaikum and hello. We are from Kolej Islam Sultan Alam Shah. Today we are going to introduce our new technology, which is auto hydro. Problem statement. Gardeners these days are having a hard time trying to make sure that soil is fertile. This can lead to plant demise. As you know, this will increase the content of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and can cause us global warming. By inventing a design called auto hydro, it makes gardening easier so that we can live in a healthy environment. Auto hydro is designed to keep the soil always fertile and healthy. Therefore, plants can grow freshly and clean the atmosphere. Next, existing solution, delimitation without using auto hydro. First, could it detect soil moisture? We couldn't know if our soil is having enough moisture. This can lead to dry and unhealthy soil, which will cause the plants to stop growing. Second, over or underwater. Plants will easily wilt when they are overwatered and when they are underwatered. So, we need to make sure that soil is having enough water to grow. Third, risk of plant disease. Plant disease can affect plants by interfering with several processes such as absorbance and translocation of water and nutrition, photosynthesis, flower and fruit development, and much more. Auto hydro can help to identify our soil problem at early stage.
Auto hydro provides various solutions and it is very useful to those who live in northern areas because due to less sunlight and high humidity, it is very hard to grow plants there. So here, we will try to make it as easy as possible to observe and operate on your plants. Auto hydro can be used to monitor the correct water needs for plants anywhere on the farm or on a small piece of land. This is the initial description of the auto hydro. We'll utilize a soil and moisture sensor as well as an Arduino Uno and a small pump. To show the status of each task, we'll use a tiny DC pump, a 12C162 LCD and an RGB LED. The sensor contains an onboard power LED as well as an onboard status LED that illuminates when moisture is detected.
The benefits of auto hydro. First, it's affordable compared to any existing design on the market. Second, it cuts down the water waste, so we can save more water on our planet. Third, it ensures the soil and plants to have adequate nutrients. Lastly, it makes sure the soil and plants are healthy so that it can last long. What inspired us to come up with the project? People facing problems every day in their daily tasks, and we believe that technology somehow can make people's lives easier, therefore solve their problems. This project focuses on a problem faced by many gardeners, especially when it comes to watering the plant. We learned that when great minds come to one, great ideas will arise to create the best of our future.
Thank you and have a great day.